Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist. Today I'm taking you around this 63 plate 2013 Mini Cooper S. Before I do that, let me show you what we do here. So this is our showroom, full of Minis. And this is our service workshop. We have 3 ramps, and this is where we do all the mechanical work. So this is our body shop. We have a full-size spray booth, and then down this side we've got 2 prep bays. And this is our spares department. Let's get back to the car in hand. So we've had some fun with this car. We have de-chromed it and put some black xenon lights in it. We've refurbished the wheels, powder coated black. These are John Cooper Works wheels, and we have put Unijet lights on the back. So we've also replaced the seats from the originals, which were all leather, but replaced them with lounge leather. So we've enhanced the car and made it look a bit different, and we think a bit special. The car's covered just over the 103,000 miles, but it's got 11 service stamps, 10 from main dealers, and we have just serviced the car and replaced the cam chain. The car mechanically is sweet, sounds good, drives well. Just had a brand new MOT, no advisories. But let's have a closer look at the body. So the other thing we've done, we've replaced the scoop to a more aggressive scoop and black Mini badges, and obviously de-chromed it. So the bodywork is actually really tidy. This wheel, it's got a really good tyre and a refurbished alloy, new front brake pads put on by ourselves. We have changed the colour background from chrome to black on this badge. No dinks or scrapes down this side. Black mirror backs, black roof. They were white and white when we had the car. Coming down this side, again, very, very good condition, refurbished alloy wheel. Coming around the back, we have these rather nifty LED Unijet lights, the body kit, the John Cooper Works body kit. We have a black Mini badge here, black chrome on there. No major scrapes or anything on the bodywork. It's all very good. Refurbished wheel. And coming down here, you can see the same on the driver's door and the refurbished front wheel. The car comes with a John Cooper Works body kit, which is this, the more aggressive rear bumper and the very low and more aggressive front bumper, as you can see. Coming around the back, you can see that also the car's had the rear wiper delete to give it that smoother, less complicated look at the back. Let's take a minute to just look at the service history. So here we are, and the first service at 15,000 miles by main dealer, 30,000 miles main dealer, 37 main dealer, 58 main dealer, 65 main dealer, 71 main dealer, 74 main dealer, 79 main dealer, 93 main dealer, 101 main dealer, and then 105 by ourselves with a new cam chain. Now before we put these seats in, the optional extra tote was up to £7,000. That's with these wheels, and it had full leather, which is heated, and we've obviously added the lounge leather. We have steering wheel controls for the stereo, the telephone, and cruise control. Let's have a look from the driver's seat. Let's start the car. So there are 2 keys to the car. If you've not seen a Mini Cooper before, this is the key, and it goes in that slot there. You press the clutch, and then press the button, and the car fires up. All the lights go out. So the car has got the piano black trim, that's the secret glove box. We have the chrome rings on all the binnacles, automatic climate control. We have the heated front seats, air conditioning, rear demist, and that's the rear demist, and that basically demists the front windscreen rapidly. This is the navigation CD and the big screen. So at the moment the engine's off, which is the ignition's on, but the engine's off, which is why that's on. This controls this central thing here. So that's the home button, and now by twizzling this stick I can go around all the different menu items, and then we have the settings, music CD, etc., which includes the Bluetooth external device, the USB external device, etc., and then we have the radio, and then the navigation. So it's a fully loaded car, this. The thing to mention here is we have sport mode, so that button there is sport. Press the sport button and then it comes up there. and it increases the throttle response, weights up the steering a little bit, and it gives you a little bit of crackle and pop. So in summary then, we have a 2013 63 plate Mini Cooper S, and we have made this what we have been calling in-house anyway, a Shadow Edition, which I think looks fantastic. It's got the black Xenons at the front, it's got Unijet lights at the back. We've refurbished the wheels into a black powder coat. The service history is complete. It's got 11 service stamps, the last one being by ourselves, where we replaced the cam chain just for good measure, obviously with an oil change to boot. Just had a brand new MOT, comes with 12 months warranty from the RAC, and it drives beautifully. It's got £7,000 worth of extras, in fact more, because we've added the lounge leather seats. It's very well spec'd, looks fantastic. Come along, drive it, see if you like it. I think you will. Thanks for watching.